Do you think junk food taxes, such as Philadelphia's soda tax, will encourage healthier habits?
Good question. Now, I know New York City had something like that too, and it kind of backfired,
Does
didn't
California
it?
have any?
I don't know if California does or not, but I remember when I heard that New York City came out with it, I was actually excited. I was like, I think that makes complete sense. Like, why is healthy food so expensive and then junk food is so cheap? Like, what do you think is going to happen when that happens? The people who can't afford food, you're going to buy the crappy food. So you would think that putting a tax on soda and stuff like that would make sense. I'm for it. But then there's people out there who are like, let us decide if we want to.
Exactly.
You know, if we want to drink soda and put that in our body, that should be our decision. The government should stay out of it, which I also kind of agree with. Like, we're all responsible for our own lives, guys. Like, I'm 100% in control of my own life. I just don't blame other people for things that happen to me. So the government is trying in this particular moment. They are going to raise taxes. They're going to make more money, so it's good for them. I'm in favor of it.
Yeah, I just think people should stop eating junk food, and I do think that if the price of healthy food could go down, it would help encourage people to
You guys
more.
let us know what you think. Seriously, if an organic apple is the same price as a bag of potato chips, what are you going to pick to snack on if it's the same price?
Yeah, I know. That's a good question for you guys. Maybe that could be the question of the day. Maybe price doesn't affect people's decisions when it comes to junk food. Maybe it does.
I think it would.
I do think it does too.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be